Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to take a look at our 405 handy buses that are getting ready to be sold off. So you guys probably by now know these buses. It's 57, 58, 59, and 60. So you got three smaller buses and then one big bus being 60. So just kind of taking a look. 60 has a 77 passenger body on it. 60, well, all of these buses were originally owned. So all of these buses were originally Warren County DD buses. So Laidlaw actually contracted these buses for the county, and these buses were bought specifically for the county. There was a whole slew of them. I can't remember the exact amount, but there were at least, I think, 10 or so. So we ended up getting to keep these 4, and the other 6 probably went up to Cincinnati or something. So anyways, 60 was $11.98 originally, and as you can see, I mean, this is a big bus. I mean, this is like 59 specs, where you have all the seats on rails. So all of these seats are on rails, so you could take all of these seats out and do an entire bus full of wheelchairs, whereas 59 had one wheelchair, or had one seat mounted to the floor. So yeah, basically 59 specs by the for the county, since this was a county-based bus that would operate all over Warren County. So that's why it's a big bus. And there was, I don't know for sure how many other big ones like this there were, but there was at least 1 or 2, maybe 3 others like this. So pretty standard Laidlaw specs, aside from the destination signs. Everything else in here is basically like what you would have seen on 50, but on a second gen. So here is the gauge cluster. You can see the mileage. There's your switch panel. Asset number 209-115. So obviously 2005 0911. There's that cool carrier plate with the award on it. So this bus was obviously 05, so built in 04. And it has been replaced with a 2027 CE. Now, moving on to 58 here. 58, 59, and 57 are all about the same. But 58 here used to be 1190. And my sister actually rode this bus when it was 1190. You can see both ID numbers on there, so that's pretty cool. You can also see the shadow of 1190. But going on over here, you can see 3 different shadows. You've got Lebanon City Schools, Warren County Board of DD, and Laidlaw. And then down there you've got the Warren County. And then over here you can see 1190. Stepping on board, pretty much the same as 60, just in a shorter floor layout. So yeah, I mean, there's really not that much else to this bus. Other than, just being shorter. Spec-wise, it's pretty much all the same. There's your gauge cluster. This one's dead, so it's not going to show me the mileage. Switch panel, asset number 209035. 58, there's your bulkhead number, all that fun stuff. Photos of these buses will be on my Flickr. So the bus next to it is 59, and this was 1195. And here again you can see Warren County Board of DD, Laidlaw, and Lebanon City Schools. So I would assume Warren County was on it first, then Laidlaw, then eventually Lebanon City Schools. I do remember, and I don't know which one specifically it was, but I do remember seeing one of these smaller handy buses with Laidlaw on the side of it. There's your ID number, and of course the number, and you should be able to, well, I don't think you'll be able to see 1195 because I think they covered it up, but you can see where 59 was replaced at some point because there's outer edge of a shadow. But again, pretty much the exact same thing. There's your shadows with Lebanon City Schools, Warren County, and Laidlaw. There's your number shadows. We'll go ahead and get on it. Like I said, I mean, they're pretty much all the exact same, just, you know, some have more seats than others. So these three, forgot to mention this, the three little ones had their air conditioning removed. So originally these all would have had air conditioning, and you can kind of see the holes where the air conditioning was mounted. So that was removed because it's hard to get parts for carrier air conditioners. These buses also have, I mean, not that this was a spec choice, it probably was because there's so many of them, but where you've got the little seats on the passenger side, so that's an interesting difference. I don't know that 60 was spec'd like that. I don't know if it was just the little buses or not, because 60 doesn't have any little seats in it. So anyway, this is the front of the bus. There's your gauge cluster. You can kind of see the mileage there. There's your switch panel, asset number 209085, 59, all that fun stuff. And now we'll go to 57. As soon as I get that blocked. So 57 was 1189, and there you go with your shadows, Lebanon, Laidlaw, and Warren County Board of DD. Here's the back of the bus. There's your ID number. Now this one I think was covered up. So the original ID is still there, it's just under a new ID tag. It's the same way on the front. There's 1189 on the number, well you'll be able to see the shadow, and of course 57. So there's the back of the bus, got the wheelchair door. There's your shadows again. And then there's your 1189. Now, these buses also had Warren County up here where it said Laidlaw Transit, Warren County, and then MRDD. So, yeah. And then there's your steps. I swear there's something I forgot to mention. So anyways, this is the inside of 57. Well, just the same thing as the other ones, but I figured I'd go ahead and include it. So yeah, there's your lift, there's the inside, and I'm gonna miss seeing, and I know 50 and 40 have it, but I'm going to miss seeing these this seat color, this grayish blue seat color, because that's what I grew up with, and I love it. But well, and this is your answer to earlier, these were spec'd like this because you have a tiny barrier. So didn't even realize that. I'm sure I realized it, but I forgot about it. So anyway, yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. I know in previous years I've done an entire video of all the retirees. We're doing it kind of differently this time. They're just letting buses go a few at a time. So like right now these lift buses are being sold. We've got a few of the 2010s back here that'll be going eventually. So when those are ready to go, I'll do a video on those as well. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't think there's anything else. I may have skipped the front of this bus, but it's pretty much the same as the other one. So yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah.